My Lord Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, Learned Advocate General of the State of Odisha, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India for the State of Odisha, Learned the Government Advocate, Learned Chairman Odisha State Bar Council, Official of the Registry, Learned Vice President and Secretary of the Bar Association, Learned members of the Bar with profound grief and deep sorrow, I am constrained to bring it to your Lordship's kind notice that one of our life member, namely Gauranga Bihari Jena Advocate, left us for his heavenly abode on 10/8/2022. Advocate Jena was born on 15th day of August 1960. He was the son of late Golok Bihari Jena and mother late Basant Jena. He passed his school certificate examination from Noabajar High School, Cuttack in the year 1975. He completed his graduation from Crash College, Cuttack in the year 81. He obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 84. He enrolled himself as an advocate in Odisha State Bar Council in the year 1986. He joined in the chamber of renowned civil lawyer, Mr. Rajendra Chandra Mahanti, senior advocate, and Mr. Ramakanta Mahanti, senior advocate. He was the assistant secretary of Cuttack Bar Association. He was a panel arbitrator in the Honorable High Court of Odisha. He was disciple of Swami Praganandagiri. He was having very lovable personality. He was very popular amongst the members of the High Court Bar Association. He was the son-in-law of late Jagannath Das, senior advocate. He was practicing in civil, criminal, constitutional writ matters in the Honorable High Court of Odisha and subordinate courts. He breathed his last on 10/8/2022, Wednesday, at SU Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack, due to brain stroke. His death has given irreparable loss to his entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, well-wisher, and the locals at large. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late Gauranga Bihari Jena Advocate. He left behind his wife, Sujata Jena Advocate, who is a practicing lawyer of the Honorable Court. His son, Gunjan Jena, is also, I'm told, also passed out from the National Law School of India, Bangalore, and now is a practicing lawyer. While joining in the morning and sharing the grief of the members of their family, well-wishers and praying, I, on behalf of the High Court Bar Association, pray before the Almighty to give enough strength the breath-stricken members of the Bread family to bear huge loss and rest their souls in peace. With these words, I take leave of my lords.
My lords, Honorable Chief Justice and companion judges, on behalf of Learned Advocate General, I am addressing your lordships, member of the registry, chairman of the Bar Council, Assistant Solicitor General, respected senior members and friends in the Bar Association. It is also my personal loss because I was very close to Mr. Jena, and his untimely demise has also seconded the tranquility which I enjoyed with him alive. Gauranga Jena was born on 15th day of August 1960 to late Golok Bihari Jena and late Basanti Jena. He passed his high school certificate examination from Noabajar High School, Cuttack, in 1975 and completed his graduation from Crash College, Cuttack, in 1981, and thereafter obtained his law degree from MS Law College in 1984 and enrolled himself as an advocate in the same year and joined the chamber of renowned civil lawyer Rajendra Chandra Mahanti, senior advocate, and Ramakanta Mahanti, senior advocate. He was very busy in the elections and also became assistant secretary of Cuttack Bar Association, and a lovable personality in Cuttack Bar Association as well as High Court Bar Association. He was practicing in civil, criminal, constitutional, and writ matters in the Honorable High Court. He breathed his last on 10/8/22 at SC Medical College to a brain stroke. His death has given irreparable loss to the entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, as well as friends and myself. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late Gauranga Bihari Jana. He left behind his wife, Sujata Jana, a friend of ours who is a practicing advocate in this court, and his son, having passed from Gunjan, having passed from National Law School, Bangalore, is now joined a law firm and as a litigating law firm and practicing there. I, on behalf of the Advocate General and our other lawyers, offer my heartfelt condolence and pray God to give strength, courage to the bereaved family to withstand their loss, my lords.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Mr. Kali Prasanna Mishra, Learned President, and other office bearers of the Orissa High Court Bar Association, Mr. P.K. Padi, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Government of India, Mr. Joji Prakash Patnaik, Learned Government Advocate, Learned Senior Advocates and members of the legal fraternity, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. My colleagues and I share the sentiments expressed by Mr. Mishra and Mr. Patnaik. It is with a deep sense of sadness that we assemble here again, just after 4 days of the last such occasion, to offer condolences on the sad demise of Sri Gauranga Bihari Jena, a well-known member of the bar, who breathed his last just this morning at the age of 62 years. The life sketch of Sri Jena, as described by Mr. Mishra and Mr. Patnaik, depicts that he was a lawyer of very good repute, was very sober, soft-spoken, amiable in nature, and a gentleman par excellence. The death of Sri Jena has created a great vacuum in the legal fraternity, and it is an irreparable loss to their families, friends, colleagues, and relatives. With heavy heart, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, and on my own behalf, I express our heartfelt condolences to Srimati Sujata Jena, their son, and the extended family of Sri Gauranga Bihari Jena, and pray that the departed soul rests in peace. We also pray for strength and courage to the members of the bereaved family to bear the irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed soul, let us observe 2 minutes silence by standing. Court work will remain suspended for the rest of the day.